What advanced weapons has the United States used to attack Iran? According to the United States Central Command, in the ongoing military campaign against Iran, known as Operation Epic Fury, the United States has used more than 20 types of advanced weapons. These attacks have been carried out through air, sea, land, and missile forces. In this war, many new and modern weapons have been deployed. So what advanced weapons has the United States used to strike Iran in this military operation? Let's take a closer look. 1. B-1B Lancer bomber. According to the website of Air and Space Forces magazine, the United States used 3 B-1B Lancer strategic bombers to attack targets in Iran during Operation Epic Fury. These bombers destroyed multiple locations across Iranian territory. In February 2024, the United States had previously used the B-1B Lancer in the Middle East to bomb positions of militant groups supported by Iran in Iraq and Syria. However, those strikes did not target locations inside Iran itself. The United States operates 104 B-1B bombers under the U.S. Air Force. The aircraft was first produced in 1973 and production ended in 1988. It is a high-speed, heavy strategic bomber capable of carrying up to 34 tons of explosive weapons during missions. Among the weapons it can carry are B-61 and B-83 nuclear bombs. In addition to bombs, the aircraft can also carry missiles such as AGM-154, AGM-158, AGM-158C, and AGM-183. In terms of performance, it has a combat range of about 5,543 kilometers and a ferry range of around 9,400 kilometers. Its maximum speed is approximately 1,335 kilometers per h, and its maximum altitude is about 18 kilometers. The aircraft requires 4 crew members and measures 45 meters in length, with a 42-meter wingspan and a height of 10 meters. Its empty weight is about 87 tons. 2. B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. During the attack on Iran under Operation Epic Fury, which began on February 28, 2026, the United States reportedly deployed 4 B-2 Spirit stealth bombers. Previously, in June 2025, the U.S. had also used 7 B-2 bombers to strike nuclear infrastructure inside Iran. The B-2 Spirit is a stealth heavy bomber with more advanced technology than the B-1B Lancer. The United States produced 21 units, all operated by the U.S. Air Force between 1989 and 2000. Because of its advanced stealth technology, it is often nicknamed the Ghost in the Sky. Many air defense systems with moderate technology cannot detect it. The aircraft can carry up to 27 tons of weapons, including B-61 and B-83 nuclear bombs. It can also carry advanced missiles such as AGM-154 and AGM-158. Its normal cruising speed is about 900 kilometers per h, while its maximum speed reaches around 1,010 kilometers per h. The bomber has a range of about 11,000 kilometers and can fly at an altitude of over 15 kilometers. Unlike the B-1, which requires 4 crew members, the B-2 only requires 2 pilots. The aircraft measures 21 meters in length, has a wingspan of 52.4 meters, and a height of 5.18 meters with an empty weight of about 71.7 tons. it is also extremely expensive. Today, each aircraft is estimated to cost more than $4 billion. 3. F-35 Lightning II fighter jet. During the attacks on February 28, 2026, there is no confirmed data on how many F-35 Lightning II fighter jets were used. However, in a conflict of this scale, it is almost certain that the F-35 played a role. Even before the war began, the United States used F-35 fighters to shoot down Iranian drones in early February 2026. Before Operation Epic Fury started, around 30 F-35A aircraft were reportedly deployed to the Middle East. In addition, several F-35 jets were spotted aboard the U.S. aircraft carrier USS Abraham Lincoln, operating south of Iran. So far, more than 1,300 F-35 aircraft have been produced. The jet comes in 3 variants: F-35A, F-35B, and F-35C, and many U.S. allies have purchased it. The F-35 has a range of about 2,800 kilometers, while its combat radius is about 1,239 kilometers. Its maximum speed is about 1,979 kilometers per h, and it can fly at an altitude of up to 15 kilometers. The aircraft is equipped with advanced weapons, including a 25mm cannon, air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, anti-ship missiles, and even the B-6112 nuclear bomb. 4. F-22 Raptor fighter jet. The F-22 Raptor is one of the most advanced fighter jets in the U.S. arsenal. The United States reportedly deployed 12 F-22 fighters in the operation against Iran. These aircraft were deployed to OVDA Air Base in Israel in late February 2026, shortly before Operation Epic Fury began. During the operation, F-22 jets struck several targets, including buildings in Tehran, facilities belonging to the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, and drone launch sites. The F-22 is often called the King of the Skies due to its exceptional air combat capabilities. The United States produced 195 units of the aircraft. Production began in 1996 and ended in 2011. The U.S. plans to operate the F-22 until the 2030s, when it will be replaced by the next generation F-47 fighter. The F-22 has one pilot, an empty weight of 19.7 tons, and a cruising speed of about 1,870 kilometers per h. Its maximum speed reaches about 2,414 kilometers per h. Its range is about 3,000 kilometers, with a combat radius of around 850 kilometers, and it can fly at an altitude of up to 20 kilometers. Its weapons include air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles. 5. F-15E Strike Eagle. Among the roughly 200 fighter aircraft involved in Operation Epic Fury, the exact number of F-15E Strike Eagle jets used has not been confirmed. However, several U.S. F-15 aircraft were reportedly deployed to military bases in Jordan to support operations against Iran. The F-15E played a key role in dropping GBU and 31 bunker buster bombs, designed to destroy underground facilities and missile storage sites. On March 1st, 2026, 3 F-15 aircraft were accidentally shot down by Kuwait's air defense system, although all 6 pilots survived. Later, on March 4th, 2026, Iran claimed it had shot down an F-15E in the southwest of the country, but the U.S. Pentagon denied the claim. The F-15 is another highly capable fighter jet, with 1,198 units produced. It has been sold to many U.S. allies, including Israel, the United Kingdom, and Japan. The F-15E has a range of about 3,971 kilometers, with a combat radius of around 1,085 kilometers. Its cruising speed is about 1,875 kilometers per h, and its maximum speed reaches 2,655 kilometers per h. It can carry 7.3 tons of weapons, including AIM-7 Sparrow, AIM-120 AMRAAM, and AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles. 6. EA-18G Growler electronic warfare aircraft. The EA-18G Growler is an electronic warfare aircraft. During Operation Epic Fury, it is estimated that the United States deployed between 15 and 21 Growlers, according to Military Watch magazine. These aircraft played a crucial role in jamming Iran's air defense systems, allowing B-2 bombers and F-35 fighters to strike targets more effectively. They can also disrupt communications and radar systems, making it difficult for Iran to detect or attack U.S. forces. Other weapons used in the operation. In addition to these advanced aircraft, the United States also deployed several other weapons systems during the operation, including Lucas low-cost drones, MQ-9 Reaper drones, Tomahawk cruise missiles, HIMARS rocket systems, aircraft carrier USS Abraham Lincoln, aircraft carrier USS Gerald R. Ford, Patriot air defense systems, THAAD missile defense systems.